Traders from around the world, what's going on? It's Jerremy Alexander Newsome wearing the Welcome to Wednesday t-shirt. It's July 1st, first of the month, and that means I got a challenge for you. Now, this particular month, we're gonna do something really interesting. My Chief Technology Officer, business mentor, best friend, and trading partner, and workout buddy, Matt DeLong, challenged me to come up with this for each and every one of you in the month of July. What I want you to do is either in your notebook, every single day, I want you to write your name. So in my example, Jerremy Alexander Newsome is capable of. And then I want you to write a trading, a real, and a life thing that you are actually capable of. Something that you can do, something that you can achieve. And I want you to stretch your mind a little bit and think about what you're capable of. And I want you to do it every single day. It will not be easy, and I'm setting a reminder right now on my phone to do this every night before I go to sleep. And I'll be updating these in Slack, in our real life trading community. I'll do my best to put them on Twitter and or Instagram and or other social media handles. But bottom line, I want you to share what you are capable of every single day. I want it to be a life goal, which you're right, life is gonna be obviously life. Real, which is a physical goal. What are you capable of physically? What's something that you can do? And then a trading goal. What's a trading thing that you can accomplish or achieve in your lifetime? And you're gonna have 30 things, and as it progresses through the month, it's gonna get harder and harder to think of things that you're truly capable of, and it will astound you. If you can do this every single day at the end of the month, you'll be blown away by reading what your mind and how your mind develops to a crazy, beautiful, serendipitously splendid, outrageously amazing version of yourself. Take me up on this challenge for July. You guys rock. Thanks for watching. Bye.